Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brina, and today I'm going to be giving myself bangs. If you don't know, I do my hair at home myself. I am not a licensed cosmetologist. I am not a professional whatsoever, but I have kind of self-taught myself to do my own hair. So I obviously need to bleach my roots, but yes, I bleach my hair myself. And yeah, I've been doing my own hair for like a lot of years. I haven't been to a hairstylist for anything in about 5 years. So yeah, I cut my hair. Yeah, I gave myself this haircut back in January. And I have never cut my own bangs. I've had bangs, but I've never cut them myself. And whenever I had bangs, they were never the right kind of bangs for my face. So today I'm going to attempt to give myself a wispy fringe situation. Yeah. So if you would like to see how that turns out, make sure you keep on watching. Got my handy dandy scissors here and a comb. So I want like minimal amount of bangs. So what I think I'm going to do is just take a very small section to start, and then I've watched some videos on how to do this yourself at home and stuff, and I'm going to try to follow those the best I can with the knowledge I've retained in my head from those videos. So we'll see how this turns out. And it is hard to see with this hair right in front of my face, but hopefully this works. Okay, I think this looks like a pretty good section to start with. And I don't want these to all be like right in front of my face. I want them to also kind of be framing my face. So I'm not really sure what to do here. I'm just gonna take like this middle section. I don't know how I'm able to like get a perfect part on this side every time without trying, but this side is a real struggle. Gonna start with this section. I'm going to start by cutting it longer than what I think I want, just because there's no going back from cutting your bangs too short. So okay. I've been procrastinating doing this all day because I'm very scared. Okay. Well, there's no going back now. That's a lot of hair. Okay. Okay. I also think I would like to maybe style these beforehand, so that way I know how far up to cut them, so that way they look good when they're styled. So 1 second please. Okay, I think I've styled them as best I can without getting them wet. Now I think what I'm just gonna do is do this. Now I'm just going to try to kind of even this out with that. It looks so much thicker on this side, but that's just because my hair does not want to cooperate. And I can't decide if I like this length. I really don't want to go too short though. I'm also extremely hot, guys. I'm struggling here without my AC, so you don't have to listen to it. Did I make a mistake? I feel like I made a mistake. I feel like they look so bad. Oh no. Why did I pick a 90-degree day to not run my AC? Oh yeah. This is the look we're going for. So I definitely think I went too thick. Okay, this is hard. How do you do this side on yourself? Use your other hand? That doesn't seem smart. Yeah, wow, that's not working for me. What if I like take a chunk and then I twist it? Ooh, is that gonna work? Did we just come up with something here? It's coming together. Still, I think the bangs are too long. I think that's my problem, maybe. Okay, I think this looks a lot better all of a sudden. Like, I think I'm just gonna work on more like the middle section of the bangs to shorten them a little bit more. I think they would look a lot better if I could actually get them to cooperate while styling them, but I'm actually pretty impressed with myself, if I do say so myself. I'm going to put the scissors down before I get any more cut happy, and I actually think this looks really cute. So, okay, I lied. I'm going to go slightly higher in the middle one more time. So, yeah, this is the finished product. I think they look super cute. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with myself. Okay, so I decided they're still too long, and I'm going to try to trim them up a little bit more. Okay, so I think this is gonna be the finished product. Be sure to comment down below what you think of my new bangs. Also, why on earth do I always feel the need to cut my bangs during summer? That just seems dumb. Can somebody please explain that to me? Because every time I've had bangs, it's been during the summer. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!